Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Batra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic that I am going to discuss today is difference between judge and magistrate. So a layman may think that these both are synonyms, but in reality as a law student we know that there is a difference, right? And in this video I will tell you a brief difference between judge, or we can say a basic difference between judge and magistrate. So judge has been derived from a French word jugir. The spelling is Jugier. That means to judicate or to judge. And a judge is appointed by the President of India after the discussion with the Chief Justice of India and governors of all the state in India. And the judge is responsible to factually evaluate the legal cases through the court proceeding. Judge has the power to decide the verdict of the legal case, but that is done through a panel of judges. In short, the judge plays the role of an arbitrator between the two parties to give them justice or the justice they need. And now just talk about the magistrate. And the magistrate has been derived from the Latin word magister, which means to administrate the law. And magistrate is a minor judicial officer who is in charge to maintain the law and order in a particular area, district, town or locality. A magistrate hears cases that are civil or criminal in nature at that state level, and the magistrate is usually appointed by a judge. As understood, death sentence can be given by a judge only and not by the magistrate. The magistrate only has a right to give a sentence of imprisonment, and there are few subordinate duties to be known, like the executive magistrate is appointed district wise, while the metropolitan magistrate is appointed at a town level. So executive magistrate district wise and metropolitan magistrate town wise. The metropolitan magistrate from the town report to the chief judicial officer, and while the chief judicial officer appoints directly by the high court at each district level. And the chief judicial magistrate does have the power to impose a fine or give a sentence of imprisonment not more than 7 years. And subordinate to the chief judicial magistrate is a judicial magistrate that function with close contact with the high court. The judicial magistrate has the right to give imprisonment only for 1 year, right? So chief judicial magistrate can give for 7 years, and subordinate to that is judicial magistrate, that also work closest to the high court, but he can give punishment for imprisonment for 1 year only. So what is the difference or between judge and magistrate on the basis of jurisdiction and verdict? So a judge is an officer that responsibly arbitrate law verdict based on the hearing in the court of law. The verdict given by the regional magistrate cannot be above 7 years of imprisonment, and the region cases can be moved to the high court if one or more party has a problem with the verdict. So if the magistrate will give verdict and if the parties have any problem, so they can go to the high court, and the verdict of the judge at the high court is final and cannot be challenged in this case. So, and the jurisdiction of the magistrate is at the regional, state and town level, while the judge power sees the whole nation under their power of attribution of law practices for justice seeker. And now on appointment and power basis, the appointment of the judge is done by the President of India, while the appointment of the magistrate is done by the panel of judge of the high court only. And the power of the judge cannot be cross-checked by the state magistrate level. This means that magistrate has lesser power than the judge. And now on the basis of qualification and cases, the judgment passed by the magistrate is usually for smaller and minor cases. This can be criminal in nature too. Hence, a degree in law is the first milestone to wear while in the shoe of the judge. So you have to take the degree of masters in case of judge, and in the magistrate is appointed by the judge. Hence, a degree in law is appreciated but not crucial to operate as a magistrate. So this was the basic difference between the between the judge and magistrate. And I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment me down, and keep liking, keep sharing and subscribe to our channel, that is Lexis and Company. Thank you for this.